please.
Well, with all honesty, Pacquiao and Nonito Donaire has already paved the way. Kaya tayo nagkaroon ng big name like Casimero. Wherein,
Yes.
at that time, Pao, let's be honest, we all believe he can beat Inoue. I really believe way back, maybe 3 years, 3 to 4 years ago, he has a chance to beat him at that time. Then his brother happens. That bullshit in scenario happens and everything crashed. Kung hindi nangyari yon at naalagaan pa rin siya at nangyari yung fight against Inoue, imagine if he won the fight against Inoue before. Imagine if that fight happens. Siya na dapat yung next ring bearer na mag-way, pag-pave ng way dun sa mga susunod na henerasyon. It did not happen. Let's be honest. Let's go back to the time. That's why hanggang ngayon nga, marami pa rin followers pinapakinggan pa rin Because they're stuck into the time wherein magaling talaga yung Casimero. Let's be honest,
Yes.
may chance talaga for me. Ako talaga very honest for me. Nung nawala yan, na-eksena yung kapatid niya at nangyari na yung mga nangyari. Very disappointing kasi wala pa tayong wala pa tayong tipong umaangat na pwedeng pumalit dun sa name na yon. Actually, after Pacquiao and Donaire, siya na yung susunod talaga. And what happened, happened. And that's it. Hindi naman na dapat kailangan mag-pave ng way ni Pacquiao Hindi na dapat nangyari to If and only if nangyari yun. Let's be honest, si Bob Arum niiwasan yan. Si Casimero kasi si Bob Arum nga at that time nung hawak niya si Donaire, ayaw niyang ipalawan Kirigondo. Kasi sinabi mismo ni Bob Arum, may makakatalo sa kanya. Si Rigondo yun. Bilang delusional fan at that time, hindi mananalo yan. Amateur lang alam niyan Nangyari yung laban sa Madison Square Garden, talo si Donaire Magaling yung matanong matanda Nakikita rin niya at that time si Casimero, threat din dun sa bata niya. And things happen, personal things happen. Yun na ngayon nangyari. It should not be Pacquiao paving the way. It should have been that guy. Natignan mo naman kung ano-ano sinasabi sa social media. It's very unfortunate. It should have been just sport. Sports lang dapat, kung sana sports lang dapat yung nag-focus and nag-stick lang doon sa kung ano man job pwede niya pag-stickan. It should have been a different story. Unfortunately, things happen. I'm not sure if you're going to agree with me, but I'm looking at Casimiro before as someone who will fade away. He's the next one. And that's
Okay.
just my opinion.
Okay. Sige, very passionate speech. Okay. Salamat. No comment na muna ako dyan sa Casimero para hindi masira yung comment section natin. Magpasok na ako kay